All right, the name of this card is Total Dominaction or Number Dominaction. And what we're going to do with this game is you're going to need, what's useful is if you have two different colored sets of dominoes and your game board here. So the way that this works is the blue player is going to flip over a domino card and go, oh, 1 plus 1. And they're going to look at their board and they're going to say, oh, that gets covered right there. Next, player 2 is going to go and they're going to flip over their card. Ooh, 6 plus 6 is 12. So they're going to add the two sides of the domino together. 3 plus 1 is a 4. Ooh, does anybody see a 4 on here? Oh, here's the 4. That's a good one. Okay, flip over again. This person's going to go, oh, that's a 4. Now, the cool thing about this is, I can bump you off, which means I'm going to cover you, which means now that's mine. And I get to keep that. So that's something. Now, I also could have looked to see if there's another 4, and there isn't. So I definitely had to bump you off. Ooh, here's an 8. So this is going to go, where's my 8? I don't see an 8. Here we go, right next to it. Okay, there we go. My turn here. There's a 6. So I'm going to find the 6, put that down. And play is going to go back and forth until all of the spaces are used up, and at the end we will count to see, oh, now I get to bump you off. We'll continue going back and forth until there are either no dominoes left or the game board is completely filled, and the player with the most dominoes at the end of the game, ooh, an 11, is going to be the winner. So this is number 0-0 dominaction, and a kind of a fun game. It allows for some quick addition and subtraction, and a lot of fun when we get to bump another player off. Like, ooh, I already have that. Ooh, see, now there's that. Okay, so number dominaction. Enjoy.